Hello and welcome once again to a new video. In this video I want to address a problem that a lot of you have asked me in the comment sections of my videos, where I repair and disassemble this type of machines from Dolce GUSTO. But this fix applies to all Dolce GUSTO machines, and the problem is that the lever for hot and cold water is not staying in place. So for example, if you want hot water, hot coffee, when you put it in brewing, the lever or snaps back in place directly like this. So I cannot replicate the problem because I don't have a unit with this specific problem, but at least I can tell you exactly what to do in this situation. So again, this applies to all Dolce GUSTO machines, not only for this Piccolo machine, but this I have here for example reasons. So it can be mini-me, oblo, all types of machines. So the idea, what you have to do is you have to disassemble the unit. If you want to see how to disassemble your specific machine, just browse my channel. You definitely will see a video in which I disassemble one of the models that you have. And you have to reach the main board. The problem lies on the main board, so it's not a mechanical problem with the lever itself. This is mechanical. It's actually electrical, and the problem on the main board relies on this specific capacitor. This blue looking box looking capacitor can be either gray or can be yellow or blue. Depends on what main board you have. So this is out of spec. And you have to remove this capacitor. You have to desolder it. I already desolder it for specific reasons. And the value of this capacitor, it's 470 or 0.47 microfarad at 275 volts. Or 470 nanofarads at 270 volts. So this is a really cheap capacitor. You can find it in any electronic component store. Buy this one, replace it, and the problem with the lever not keeping in place will be resolved. So yes, I hope this video was helpful. Please try it. Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate that. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.